We're at the Boys and Girls Club of Eau Claire today. We've got some volunteers here getting ready for our summer program.
We are reorganizing their care closet, which holds clothes and other items that children may need. They don't have to pay for it.
Just sent kind of an email and, hey, we need some help. If you've got anybody, we would love to have any help, and we got amazing response.
We have volunteer days with the Cooperative, and we just sign up if we want to help with those volunteer days. And so a few of us from IT decided we wanted to go on the same day and volunteer together.
We've got volunteers here helping to get all of our rooms organized. They're cleaning. We had group health come in 2 days this week.
It's pretty cool. Instead of sitting at your desk all day, you can get out and make a difference in the community and be up and be active.
This is the only way that we can really do everything that we do here.